Hello everyone, welcome to MuLabs. Today we are going to explore an amazing software called Microsoft Power BI. Power BI is a leading business intelligence tool developed by a company called Microsoft. I'm pretty sure some of you might have heard about Microsoft, but if not, I have added a cool video about Microsoft in the description so you can check it out later. Now, back to our main topic. What is Power BI? As I told you, it's a business intelligence tool. Do you know what business intelligence is? Let's understand it by an example. Think of a supermarket where you go to buy groceries with your parents. Like you, there are hundreds or even thousands of people who come to this supermarket each day to buy their groceries. Each customer purchases different items. So at the end of the day, a supermarket might have sold hundreds of different products to various customers. If the manager of the supermarket wants to see a summary of daily sales, how can he do that? Well, that is where business intelligence comes into play. With business intelligence, we can gather data on all the sales done in the supermarket and analyze it to give useful information to the supermarket manager. The information provided by these BI tools to the manager will help him to take better decisions and serve customers well. This is just one simple example of how business intelligence would help us. But the real world applications of business intelligence is much higher than this. Business intelligence would be a must have skill for you to secure a good career path in the future. Now that we know what business intelligence is and how important for us to have BI skills, I think you know why we should learn Power BI from an early age. With Power BI, we can simply get the data from various data sources and analyze it to gain meaningful insights. And also, we can visualize our insights using intuitive graphs, charts to build dashboards and reports. So how does Power BI work? Let's look at how Power BI works with our previous example. We all have seen POS machines at supermarket. If you don't know, it is the machine that supermarket cashiers use at the till to scan items, collect payments, and issue bills. When you make a purchase, that information is stored in the software that is used in the supermarket to record transactions. This software will help to capture all the transactions in the supermarket and store them in a secure location called a database. Database is where we store all our data. If you want to analyze this data, you simply have to connect Power BI with that database. Then Power BI will be able to read all the data stored in the database and help us to get meaningful insights. We will have to perform certain tasks in order to build nice visuals in Power BI. We will learn about those in upcoming videos. So don't forget to subscribe our channel to get notified as soon as we publish a new video on Power BI. I'm pretty sure by now you know why we should start to learn Power BI. But here are some more facts to prove why you should not miss this opportunity to learn Power BI. Power BI is one of the top business intelligence tools in the whole world. So by learning Power BI, you learn one of the top tools used by professionals in real life. It is used by thousands of companies around the world, including some of the biggest companies in the world. So if you want to join these companies, here's your chance. Learning Power BI will help you to familiarize yourself with industry tools which you might use in the future. The learnings you get can be used in improving the quality of other work you do as well. Last but not least, you will be able to apply this knowledge throughout your entire life in various different places. So in our next video, we will see how to download Power BI into your computer. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to learn while having fun.